What are variables in JavaScript? In this video, we are going to learn what are variables in JavaScript. For that, from the previous video, we will just remove the tags or the HTML inside the body. We will also remove the script tag that was importing the external JS in our HTML, index.html. So we will be writing all our JS inside the script tag, which is inside our body tag. So here we will learn what are variables in JavaScript. So we can declare a variable A which is having a value that is a string value NSCODE. So I'll write a comment that is string data type. We will also create a variable B where B equals to 3. Let me add a comment that is taking it. This variable B is taking number data type. I will also create a variable C. Variable C will be having a value as true, that is a boolean data type. So in JavaScript, like, you can assign any data type to a variable. So let me console.log this first in order to show you the value in our browser. So console.log A, console.log B and console.log C, and let's check in our browser. In the console you will be able to see the values. So as you can see, NSCODE is there, 3 is there, true is there. That is the value for A, B and C. In JavaScript, you don't need to previously you don't need to define what data type a variable should take. You can reassign the value to any variable of any type. So here, as I have added a variable A as string value, so later I will assign some other value. So let's check. Let A equals to something as 4, that is I am assigning a number value. Let B equals to false, that is a boolean value, and C equals to something string, that is new NSCODE. So as you can see, earlier the value of A was string, B was a number, C was a boolean. Now it is A is a number. So on console.log in the browser you can see earlier it is NSCODE 3 and true. Now it is 4, false and new NSCODE. Now to get a better understanding, let me add some string here. In console, new value of A. Let me copy paste this string from here, and let's add in our other console.log of B. We will write there, and console.log of C first, then B. Now if you can see in the browser, so earlier the value was assigned to A was NSCODE 3 and 2 true. Now the new value is A, B and C, that is 4 false and new NSCODE. So in this way, you can reassign value to a variable. Now declaring the variable in a single statement. Instead of writing variable A, variable B, variable C, we can declare these variables in a single statement by using var keyword only at a once time. So var name equals to suppose NSCODE. Simply you need to use comma. Then color equals to something as red, I guess. Then age as something 25. Now let me simply console.log this variable's names. So here console.log name. So name is comma name. I'll simply write again, copy paste this, and so the color is color. We will write here color is color. Also age is age. Now if I save the changes and let's check on the browser, as you can see, name is NSCODE, color is red, and age is 25. So it's working as it was working when I declared this variable in multiple statement, and the same it is working when I am declaring the variable in single statement. Let's check, like you can simply write document.write name. So this will be displaying on our browser like a screen. So document.write color and document.write age. We will simply check it. So it's all coming concatenated. So we will add some space there. So let me add some space. We will write plus double quotes and space inside between, plus double quotes and space, and for age we don't need that. So as you can see, there is a space between NSCODE red and 25. So this is how you can declare a variables in JavaScript.